Hey friends, GatorMom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're talking all about this Lululemon pleated shoulder bag. All right, so I recently kind of unboxed / first looked this bag in a Lululemon haul video that I did, I believe it was last week, and a ton of you wanted to see this one in more detail and packed up. I don't know if this is a brand new style from Lululemon or if it was a re-release from previous months or years, but it is new to me. I have never seen it except for this past time that they released it, and I fell in love with it instantly. I'm kind of hoping, which Lululemon typically does, but I'm crossing my fingers, that they release this in more colors because I typically don't grab black bags. Like, I have a good number of them and I like them, but in a bag like this, I would love a bright, super fun color. But I grabbed it in black because I wasn't a fan of the other two color options that they have. You certainly might be. They had a beautiful, last I checked, of course, Lululemon does tend to sell out of these things, but last I checked, they had this pleated shoulder bag in a cream option with a black handle, as well as like a light lilac-y purple color. I can't remember what the handle color of that one is. The only reason I didn't go with the cream one is because I didn't like the contrasting color of the strap and the base of the bag. If not for that, I probably would have grabbed it in cream. So I'm gonna go through this bag just really quickly now that it is unpacked and try it on for you. And then we're gonna put the camera down and we're gonna pack it up to see what fits inside. All right, so let's talk about the different ways that you can carry this shoulder bag. There is one. One and only one way that you can carry this one, and it is over your shoulder. It is a classic standard shoulder bag. It does not have a crossbody strap option. You can't really carry it any other way besides as a shoulder. It is too short to wear crossbody. There would be no way that I could put this crossbody on me. And this is what it looks like on the body. I feel like it is a good size. Now I haven't packed it up yet, so I'm excited to kind of put the camera down and do that with you guys to show you. But I feel like even the more that you pack inside here, it's gonna like hobo even more and kind of give it that soft, like slouchy look, which I love. And I imagine the pleats will look even better as it has things packed inside. They won't have like such a flat look as they do right now. They're kind of bulk up. But that is the only way that you can carry this one. This bag is made out of nylon. It's super soft. And then the strap here is like a cotton type strap. It almost has a little tiny bit of like a stretch to it, which I think is gonna serve it really well when you have a lot kind of packed inside the bag. It does have a little bit of like a ribbed detail. As you can kind of see here up close, it has like a different type of a texture. There's almost like a little bit of like a ribbed web throughout the strap. As far as the pleats go on the outside of this bag, you have the same ones on both sides. So you have some pleats over here, and then it mirrors back here on the back of the bag. As far as exterior pockets go, you don't have anything on the back of the bag. And then on the front of the bag here, you do have one zipper pocket kind of peeking out right here. You don't have one on these pleats, but you do have one over here. And the size of that pocket actually goes, oh, is there like two? Hold on. Now I'm curious. There's actually two pockets inside the pleated pocket. That's actually really cool. So this pocket here goes, the main part unzips and goes all the way across to over here of the bag. But inside, which I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to show you until I put the camera down, there is a little tiny like slit pocket, like right here on the inside that only goes halfway to right here. So it's perfect for like your cell phone or something that you kind of want easy access to, but you don't wanna put it in this big pleated pocket. So that's kind of cool. As far as this main opening of the bag, you do have double zipper pulls that can open up nice and wide, which is good because if you have it on your shoulder and you just want to kind of unzip it halfway and grab something out really quickly, you kind of have the ability to do that. But this bag opens up so wide. So how I would pack it, and how I'm going to be packing it here in a second, is with a couple of different pouches. Because it is such a dark lining on the inside, I want to be able to find like everything that I need easily. You do have a zipper pocket inside the bag there, and then on this side you do have 2 pockets on this side, just to kind of put like smaller items. All right, I am gonna go ahead and pack this bag up, put the camera down, and show you what fits inside. All right, so here's the shoulder bag all packed up. I actually have it pretty fully packed. So packed that I probably wouldn't recommend carrying it quite like this. Inside here, I do have my big planner. It's an 8x10 and it fits perfectly in there, as you can see, but it actually adds like a little bit of structure to this bag that I don't love. So I really like this bag like soft and slouchy and just kind of in a way that it really makes the pleats a little bit looser, if you will. But I thought it was important to show that a planner does fit in here for those of you like me that like to carry it with you. So I'm gonna go ahead and unpack that first and like zip it back up so that you can kind of see what I mean. But the only thing that I have inside this front pocket here are my keys. Because it is so packed on the inside, there's really not a lot of room to put anything inside this small pocket. I could easily fit more if I didn't have it fully packed, but if you pack the inside super full, you're gonna lose the ability to use this outside pocket. So just something to note. To me, it doesn't really bother me just because I would rather pack like functionally on the inside and not have access to this pocket, but some of you know, might think differently. So as far as opening up the inside here, you do have the double zippers, and they're nice and chunky, and so they don't really get caught on anything. But as you can see here, like I was mentioning, I have my big planner in here. It's not very, I mean, it's actually pretty thick for a planner. So I wouldn't recommend carrying it unless you like absolutely had to. I would probably just carry like minimal things just because I like the look of the bag that way. But as you can see now, taking that out, it takes an entirely different, like soft, squishy, hobo type shape. So just kind of something to note there. But this here is an Erin Condren soft bound hourly planner, 8x10 size, just kind of for reference. I have a full walkthrough of that in my notebook, how I use them, if you guys want to see that. But what's left inside here when I take out my planner is the current book that I'm reading. Really liking this one by Sarah Adams, the Off Limits roll, super cute. I'm on like chapter 5. And then I also have a quite like large pouch here by MZ Wallace. This color, I'm really hoping that they release in some bags in the spring because it is so pretty in person. I have all of my small things kind of tucked down inside here, all of my cosmetics, my lip products, lip treatment. I mean, I got so much stuff. My face spray, another like lip, oh my gosh, so much lip stuff. Cuticle cream, and then back here in this zipper pocket, I have a couple of these like teeth flossers. And then in the very front pocket here, I have a little mini med kit, I guess you can say. I have Band-Aids and eye drops. And then I also have my labeled on the go pill case that has tons of different medications that I might need on the go. Tucked down over here in the corner of the bag, I have my portable charger, which actually has a bunch of different cords depending on what you need to charge, and it will tell you what the battery life is left on here, which is awesome. I have my eyeglasses just in this thin like leather case here. I probably need to get a little bit better one. I have my hand cream tucked down perfectly in the corner there. And then I also have my wallet back here. And this is a MZ Wallace passport wallet. And it's just like a nice leather wallet. Zips the whole way around. You can see I have cards over here, room for cash, and then I have room for 2 passports right here. I have mine and my daughter's tucked in there for traveling this coming weekend. Then I don't have anything else left in the main bulk of the bag. Back here in this zipper pocket, I stuck just a couple of snacks and a pen. The zip pocket is actually pretty big back there, so you could put more in there if you wanted to. And then over here in the front of the bag, you do have 2 pretty big slip pockets. And I actually just have gum and Altoids tucked down in this one. And then over here I have tissues and my Touchland hand sanitizer. So those are items that I grab for all the time, and I want to make sure I can kind of get to them inside the bag. So that is everything that I had packed inside this pleated shoulder bag. All right, I think that does it for today's video. I sure hope it was helpful for those of you that were curious about this Lululemon pleated shoulder bag. I will have links to this bag as well as everything that you saw in my bag kind of down in the description box, as well as pinned at the top of the comments. Should you want to purchase any of these items or find the links for them, they will be there for you. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to reach out. I'm always happy to help. Until next time, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I'll see you soon. Bye.